Guangzhou Yuanfengyuan Biotech Company Limited is a modern professional biopesticide manufacturer integrated with research, manufacturing, sales, and services. It mainly produces nuisance-less biopesticide oligos factor series products. The company is located at Guangzhou Science City, where is the research base for the biological products, and is also the national and even global supply base for Yuanfengyuan. The raw material base and production base are located at Guangdong Yuexi area. The company owns huge independent exploitation ability. It cooperates actively with China Guangzhou Analysis Test Center, China Tropic Academy of Agricultural Sciences, China Agricultural University, Guangdong Technic Exploitation Center, Hubei Academy of Agricultural Sciences, Heilongjiang Farm General Bureau on Technique Cooperation and Application Popularization. The company successively assumes Guangdong Key New Product Plan, Guangdong Science and Technology Innovation 100 Items, National Key New Products Plan, National Torch Plan, Nation 15 Science and Technology Tackle Key Problem Plan, National Agriculture Scientific Technique Fruits Transforming into Capital, National High-Tech Industrialization Demonstration Engineering Project. The research task of nuisance-less biopesticide oligos factor industrialization exploitation. The project research achieved great fruits. It conquered the key technique of producing oligos factor zemohydrolysis, hyperfiltration, reverse osmosis, basically solved the key technique of effectively applying oligos factor, and took the lead in using oligos factor as biopesticide to prevent plant disease home and abroad. Institute of Scientific and Technical Information of China checked and found no report about this fruit. Many techniques in researching process reach the domestic leading level and international advanced level. In December 2003, the project was checked and accepted by the experts group of Ministry of Science and Technology of the People's Republic of China. In April 2004, this project was officially awarded Invention Patent Right by State Intellectual Property Office of PRC. On the 9th China Yangling Agriculture High-Tech Conference, this project was awarded the highest prize Houji Special Prize, which was reported by CCTV. The technique and art of producing oligos was also awarded the silver prize by the 14th China Invention Exposition. The responsible person of this project, Mr. Yang Gongzheng, once accompanied Li Changchun, Secretary of Guangdong Provincial Committee of CPC, and Lu Ruihua, Governor of Guangdong, to inspect biopesticide project. Oligos factor is a complicated carbohydrate. Being a special oligos, it acts as signal in plants to adjust plants' growth and its surviving ability. The oligos produced by the company is distilled from tender plant material rich in glucid by bioengineering method. Its main ingredients is oligopolygalacturonic acid, whose main aqua products quality indexes are oligos factor no below than 0.4%, total sugar no below than 4%. Because plants could recognize oligos factor with distinct specialty and make reaction, when oligos factor entered plant's body, it would abduct plants to produce phenylalanine ammonium-lyase, peroxidase, polyphenol-oxidase, synthesize and accumulate anti-disease substances such as pest control factor and phenols, increase lignin and thicken cell wall, produce anaphylactic reaction to inhibit growth and reproduce the pathogenic bacteria, so as to achieve the aim of preventing disease and increasing output. Oligos has obtained approved product standard record by Guangdong Bureau of Quality and Technical Supervision, approved pesticide temporary registration by Ministry of Agriculture, manufacturing approval license of pesticide by State Bureau of Petroleum and Chemical Industries, manufacturing license approved by Guangdong Industry Products License Office, and Yuan brand registration approved by State Patent and Trademark Office. Examined by Guangzhou Analysis Test Center, the quality of oligos factor products reached the Guangdong QGDYF01 2005 standard request. The pesticide toxicological experiment by Guangdong Working Sanitation Supervision Institute showed that LD50 was larger than 5,100 mg per kilogram, and the safety is guaranteed. Besides, the waste residue produced from manufacturing process could be used for feedstuff, organic fertilizer, or fuel. Its wastewater has few contaminations and is easy to proceed biochemical degradation. The gases are mainly the vapor produced during concentration process. Generally speaking, it's a project with no pollution. The appointed legal corporation company or institute by Ministry of Agriculture did registered, demonstrating a large-scale field pest examination to different plants and different diseases, such as foodstuff, fruits, and vegetables by using oligos factor, which achieved distinct prevention effect that is better than regular chemical pesticide. This project belongs to Innovation Project, which has the following innovative advantages. Raw material innovation. This product used subtropic edible plants as the production raw material, compared with chemical synthesis and distilled material from poisonous plants. It reveals the product's raw materials innovation and safety. Product innovation. Taking usage of oligos factor, the complicated carbohydrate that has bioactivity is the new breakthrough of biotechnology application. Technique innovation. By taking usage of new bioengineering technique of chemohydrolysis, hyperfiltration, and reverse osmosis and screening oligos factor with bioactivity from fruits extractive, the production technique is easily controlled. Performance innovation. Being the weakening factor, oligos factor abducts plants to synthesize pest control factor, improves anti-disease ability and cure plant disease, which has genius difference with the chemical pesticides poisoning pests. Notable effect. The effect of oligos factor is better than chemical pesticide. The application of oligos factor could greatly improve production and quality. In recent years, the company has been doing large-scale trial all over the country and popularizing the application of oligos factors products, which has achieved great effect and on extensive users' appraisement and experts' affirmation. The efficacy rate of products treating and preventing the wart difficulty, weed, scab, proved to be 75 to 85% in the test by Hubei and Shandong Agriculture Test Institute, with the 18% average production increase. The production increase in Hubei Qianjiang was 32%. The product could prevent and cure various kinds of diseases of paddy. After trial in Agriculture Department in Guangdong, Jiangxi, Hubei, Anhui, Heilongjiang, and so on, the total prevention rate was 75 to 90%, with the 15% average production increase. The production increase of Junchuan Farm of Heilongjiang Farms was 46%. The trial of prevention rate of coal stock break by Oil Bearing Institute of China Academy of Agricultural Sciences was 70. The trial of bacterial stasis rate of cucumber blast by Vegetable Institute was 72%. The trial by Pest Control Institute China Tropic Academy of Agricultural Sciences showed that the prevention rate of banana blast and leaf spot was 80%. The prevention rate of leaky downy mildew was 80%. The prevention rate of pepper blast was 91%, and prevention effect of rubber powdery mildew was distinct. The leafy and logan planted in No. 1 Yuan fruit base was mainly applied oligos. The products were examined by China Guangdong Analysis Test Center randomly at site, which proved the quality had reached nuisance-less standard request. In 2003, Department of Agriculture of Hainan organized an oligos application demonstration popularization conference. On this conference, the attending delegates reacted actively. The products got extensively used. In 2004, the company cooperated with China Agricultural University in Shandong main vegetable production base, used oligos to prevent and cure vegetable diseases with the scope of more than 100,000 acres, which played a good effect. In 2005, Heilongjiang Farm General Bureau and Inner Mongolia Hilar Farming Bureau used airplane to spray oligos factor to prevent paddy and coal disease with the scope of more than 300,000 acres, which achieved notable effect. At present, the company has established sales agency in Shandong, popularization center in Heilongjiang Farm, and research and popularization center in Hubei. The sales net gradually perfects, and the market grows larger. The company takes the lead in applying oligos factor into agricultural production process home and abroad. It provides a good products for agricultural production and a good manufacturing material for grain food. Professor Yu Zhuotong, the standing director of China Society of Plant, researcher Yang Chunhe of Shenyang Chemical Industry Institute, researcher Wang Xianfeng of Heilongjiang Farming Pest Control Station, all give oligos factor highly appraisement.
我们这个从98年开始啊，就应用原沣源的植物营养基和低聚糖素，用在利基龙眼上面。植物营养基和低聚糖素啊，这个应用到利基龙眼上面呢，有3个主要的特点。第一个呢，就是它没有公害，因为它是从这个很多这个动植物啊，经过用现代生物工程的这个技术啊提炼出来的，所以呢，对人呢是没有什么毒害特点。第二个特点呢，就是它这个具有多功能啊。首先，它能够促发、壮发、保发、保果，增加这个雌雄比，减少这个落果，增加坐果率。所以呢，产量一般能够增长20%到30%左右。第二个功能呢，就可以提早成熟。一般呢，喷了这个植物营养基和低聚糖素以后，可以提前1个星期左右这个收获。第3个功能呢，就是它能够明显的改善这个利基龙眼的品质，特别是提高这个含糖量啊，一般可以提高到2%到3%。还有呢，这外观啊，这漂亮啊，这个色泽比较鲜艳好看。这个里面呢，这个果肉很厚，可吃力很高。第4个呢，就是它可以提高这个抗病能力，能够有效的防治这个痢疾的霜霉病、炭疽病和酸腐病。它这个第3个特点呢，它就是广谱高效。一般呢，它对好多种作物、好多品种啊，它都有效果。不光是对利基龙眼。这块田呢是用这个低聚糖素啊喷了2次的这个它这个病情呢明显的比这个 对照的农药跟不喷药的要轻得多。现在的发病指数我们调查呢，才3左右吧。这一块呢，就是用这个三环唑来喷的，也喷了2次。它这个病情呢，就稍微多一点，比我们这个刚刚那个低聚糖呢，要它的发病指数是5左右，这个病情呢稍微高一点。
CCTV 人民日报 Farmer Daily Agriculture Science and Technology 陕西 Daily 海南 Evening New Agriculture Technique Pest Control Guide and so on. Many medias did relevant report about oligos factor project. At present, China is the second world pesticide manufacturer, but not the great power of producing pesticide. Its pesticide has little independent intellectual property. It has been copying abroad products. The product structure is quite unreasonable. There are few high efficacy and low toxicity pesticide, and rare high efficacy and low toxicity sterilizing organic pesticide. Since December 31st, 2003, the European Union has formally forbidden the sales of 320 pesticides, among which it dealt with more than 60 kinds of products exported or used by China. According to the relevant European Union regulations, the agricultural products which have been applied the forbidden pesticide are not allowed to enter European Union market. With the China's entrance into WTO, the agriculture should be also dissolved in the world trends of modernization. Developing plants origin pesticide and green agriculture and green food are the theme of future development. Nevertheless, oligos factor is the necessary production material for green agriculture. It must welcome a good developing opportunity with the development of modern agriculture. Whereas, being the nuisance-less biological pesticide, what kinds of market competitive advantages does oligos factor have? Usage safety, no nuisance, no residue, no pollution, good environment compatibility. Broad spectrum, prevent and cure many kinds of diseases at the same time. High prevention efficacy, greatly decreases or wash out the usage of chemical pesticide. Production increase farmers' income and advance agriculture development. Quality improvement builds up people's health and improve living standard. Low cost. The income is far larger than the income brought by using chemical pesticide. In a word, this project has realistic significance of improving farmers' income and lightening farmers' burden, active effect of protecting environment, great promotion of improving human beings' health level, and great significance of advancing inventing new pesticide and forming China biopesticide exploitation system.